Hello everyone, in this section we will learn how to use the in and between commands. In this section, we will do many examples of the in and between command. By the end of the video you will fully understand how they work and what they do. Before you skip the video, you can support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's start with the in command first. Thanks to the in command, we can specifically call certain data with the select command. You can think of the in command as the equals command. Let's do an example to understand better. First, let's see all the data in the customers table with the select command. Then let's do a specific search with the where command. Using in, we can see data for certain countries. In the country column, only the countries given in are shown. You can exclude some data from the table by using not in instead of in. You can try the command by giving different values. Let's do a different example. Let's call the suppliers table. Note the countries column. I will use a select command inside the in function. I search the data in the country column of the suppliers table in the customers table. If you have any questions about the in command, you can specify it in the comments. Let's take a look at the between command. Let's call the products table. I can use the between command to see values between 10 and 20 in the price column. Only values between 10 and 20 in the price column are displayed. You can exclude some data in the table by using not between instead of between. Displaying data with a price value not between 10 and 20. Let's do the in function together with the between example. The between command can also be used for string. Notice the product name column. Showing data starting with letters between C and M. Let's use not between. The between command is often used for historical values. Let's do a different example. Let's take a look at the data in the orders table. We can use the between function in the order date column. Notice the order date column. Thanks for watching. In this section, we have made many examples of the in and between command. You can support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.